Hi friends, I'm Navneeth. Today I'm going to show you two magic trick, and the first one is vanishing coin. I have a coin right here, a glass and a towel. Now I'm going to vanish this coin with this glass and the towel. Let's see how it's done. Let's see if the coin has been vanished. 3, 2, 1. The coin has been vanished. So I just did with a glass and a towel, and I can bring it back like, and now the coin is right here now. I'll show you once again. And let's see if the coin has been vanished. 1, 2, 3. The coin has been vanished. The coin is nowhere. The coin has been vanished. And now I'll bring it back. And now the coin is back, and let's see how it's done. I have a paper here, a glass, a coin and a towel. What you just have to do is that cut a paper in the shape of your cup's mouth and paste it on the glass, and place it on the back, or place it on the paper, and then you just have to cover the glass with a towel and put it on top of the coin and cover it. But really the coin is here and at down, so I can bring it back. You just have to show them how to bring it back, and that's all for the first one. The next one is disappearing matches. I have a matches right here. This is a matchstick. I got a matchstick right here, and now I'm going to do it. I'm going to disappear it right now. 3, 2, 1. And now it's disappeared. Totally disappeared the matchstick, and I can bring it back. Magic is right here, and I'll show you once again. Now it's disappeared. I can bring it back. It's right here, and I'll show you, and let's see how it's done. I have a sellotape right here, and I have matchstick. So if you have to tape the sellotape to the matchstick and sellotape to your hand, like this, and we have to hide it like this, and that's all. It's very easy to do it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.